How to extract RAR files on Windows 11. On previous versions of Windows, you would need to use a RAR extractor to unpack RAR content. But Windows 11 actually features built-in support for RAR. So there's no need to specialized extraction tools of software. Here's how to open a RAR file with Windows 11. Go to the File Explorer and locate the RAR file you'd like to extract. Then double-click to open the RAR file. Select the items you wish to extract. Then right-click on the files and select Copy. Once you have decided what folder, drive or desktop you'd like to store these files on, right-click and select Paste. You can also right-click on your RAR folder and select Extract All. Then just click Browse to search for an endpoint folder. Once you have found one, click Select Folder. Then click on Extract. And that's how you can extract RAR files on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.